Hey traders, I just want to give you a very quick update on natural gas and crude oil. So I'm going to go through Owanda data as well. So let's start our analysis with capital.com first. So what do we have here? As you can see, the market ended up moving up. And if you have noticed that, and if you have seen my previous analysis, how I take a double bottom entries, and if you see that market retested the neckline right here, this is our neckline of double bottom, and after our take profit hit, you can see a bullish pressure right here. Market didn't come back to retest. Instead, that would be our entry candle after the break of the neckline. The way to enter is the bullish candle, and after that, you can see the market ended up moving up straight towards our next minor level of resistance. So this is our 4 hour resistance right here. This is the pink zone right here. So if you see in the past, this zone has acted as resistance, and if you see here, acted as a resistance. Market came back down as a support. Market moved up as a support. Market moved up. Looking at that, a 4 hour anchor might act as a level of significance again. So what I need to see, I need to look at a retest of the zone again, an engulfing candle or a pin bar candle. Although we got this pin bar candle here, and the aggressive way to enter is to enter your set up your sell stop here to take short entry. But as you can see, we have this bullish pressure still intact, so wait for the market to hit this pink zone. I've marked these zones again. So if you want to mark this on the charts, which is for 5.230, and it goes up to 5.325. So once we have a hit of this zone, in between this zone, I will look for sell trade only. And if you have seen my previous analysis, and if you remember that I take my entries on 4 hour and 1 hour time frames, I normally take double top and double bottom on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, and engulfers on 4 hour time frame. So in this case, if you look at 1 hour time frame, we are getting this sort of action. As you can see, the market is on the way to retest this pink zone, and after that, once we have a retest done, and I look for an engulfing candle, something like this here, to take short entry. So look at both time frames to take your entries. If you do not get any sort of entry reason in this zone, I will go long. If it break above this pink zone, then it's likely chances the market can come back down, retest, and move up again. Let's check on Owanda. So I've written the zones on Owanda as well. If you want to mark these on your charts, you can do so. And this is 5.204, and it goes up to 5.323. So once we have a hit of this zone, I will look for short trades only. As you can see, this level has acted as a level of significance in the past as a resistance here. Market push down, resistance, market push down, resistance, market push down from this zone. And if you look back, this level has acted as a support and resistance on 4 hour time frame, which is a minor level. I count a 4 hour resistance, a minor resistance. I only count a major resistance, which is a daily level of resistance, which is right above here. At this point, this zone can act as a level of resistance again. So once we have a hit of this pink zone, between this pink zone, I will look for sell trades only. And looking at the factor that the market is now about to overbought as well, looking at both factors, we can get a move down from the zone. Only go for long entries once we have a break above big impulsive move and we do not get any sort of selling reason. And after the break, we get a bullish candle followed by a red candle. And here on Rwanda as well, if you remember, I take double top and double bottoms entries on 1 hour time frame and on 4 hour time frames, and engulfing entries mostly on 4 hour time frame. So looking at that, if you look at 1 hour time frame, if you can see, the market is giving us this action. Once we get an engulfing candle here with the fully engulfs the previous candle, once we get that, then we can take 180R entries below and 180R stop loss above that. Keep an eye on both zones. This is a zone where I look for sell trades only with an entry confirmation. So let's check crude oil. So conditions are same as yesterday. I just want to throw this video just to give you guys an update that we are still in the level of selling zone. As you can see, the market is still between this zone and what I want to see. It can still go back up and give us some sort of double top move, and from this zone we can expect some sort of selling entry reason again to take short entries. And once we get a selling candle here, look for the ATR of that candle, and you can set your targets according to 1 ATR above and 1 ATR exactly below. That's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.